In this video, we explain the Meepress GPT installation and content adding feature. Click Download and download our Meepress GPT program. After completing the download, extract the program from the zip file. After opening it, enter your database information that you created in the Meepress installation. And upload the file to the directory where your site is installed. Now it's time for Meepress installation process. Now, we will fill in the necessary key information one by one. Copy the test key information. Write it in the serial key field and click the check button. Meepress has been activated. Now let's create OpenAPI key. Let's say create key. Let's copy the created API key. Turbo activated. Let's copy Pixab API. Now let's create an article and publish it. I will generate article titles using the article titles I have previously created. I will create 5 pieces as an example. Click on the Create Title button. Titles will be produced in a short time. We determine the number of subheadings. We click on the Create Content button. Meepress started producing content. Sit back now. By the way, how are you? I'm glad I met you. Contents produced. Smiley face. Let's publish it on our Meepress blog now. Let's fill in our Meepress blog information. Connection successful. We select the category in which you want to publish the content. Do not forget to select the folder where the content was created. We click on the Send Content button. Now let's check if the contents have been added. Let's produce and add content in another language. Before producing content, we are currently producing content. After producing Portuguese titles, contents produced in Portuguese. You can create blogs in many languages with Meepress. With Meepress, do you follow us on social media?